What is going on, guys? It's Kai here and welcome to a very special how to cop video. In this video, we'll be covering the Airforce collab with Louis Vuitton. Now, first of all, I do apologize if this video is a bit lower quality. I am kind of in a rush. You will also notice I'm holding my mic stand. This is because my mic stand decided to break. Anyways, hope you do enjoy. Subscribe to the channel, drop a like, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let's hop on the PC and give you some more information. Here we are. The Virgil Abloh Louis Vuitton X Airforce is dropping on the 19th of July. First of all, can we appreciate this shoe? Look how beautiful it looks. We've got the blue colorway, the black colorway, the white colorway, and also some highs, well, mids or whatever you want to call them. Airforce mids or highs that look horrible. These will be releasing on 19th of July for a retail of $2,750. Now this equates to around the £2,300 mark. Where are you going to be able to get these from? Well, it's going to be exclusive to Louis Vuitton, and apparently clients might be able to get a chance to get it in store. Now they have not released much about this at all. In terms of how they're going to release, it's going to be dropping through LV's website. It's rumored what they're going to do is essentially work like a splash page. You get through the queue, you can add to cart, you have to wait through another queue, and then obviously check out from there. Now the site is going to get hammered, so you can only prepare as much as you possibly can and make sure you are in a good group that provides you all the information, because it might be a case of a certain checkout link might be able to cook everyone, a certain bot might be able to cook everyone, so it's going to be a very, very dynamic release. So make sure you're in a group like mine who can give you all the extra information during the drop to make sure that you can have the best chance you possibly can to get your hands on this shoe. With such a high retail, basically $2.5 grand, we can definitely expect resale prices to be very good, and we're looking at at least above the $3.5 grand mark. Some of these are going to be stonking enough, but all I need to tell you, it's enough to make profit on, so make sure you do go for what you can. Now, I don't know if it was about you, but this literally came out of nowhere for me. Like, I didn't even know anything about this release, and then suddenly, boom, they're releasing 2 days later. I was shocked. But we can see a bit of a better closer up photo. You can definitely expect resale, as I said before. It's a clean looking Airforce. Off-white, it's Louis Vuitton. I mean, how much could I need to scream to you about what profit is? Now, there is a lot of background behind it, as you can see here. It's first revealed at Louis Vuitton Spring-Summer 2022. Well, that was good for my SD card decided to die. This day has been just crazy. But as I said, everyone's going to love this shoe. Everyone's going to go crazy for it. And obviously, unfortunately, we did have the passing of Virgil, which one is so sad. And to have another shoe dropping, it just shows how limited and how many people are going to be wanting to collect this shoe, including myself. If I get a pair of these, they'll be going straight on the shelf and they will not be sold for a long time. Here's another up-close look of this shoe. It is very good. And this black pair is just insane. How are you going to get your hands on this shoe? Hold or sand, the best sizes to go for. As I mentioned before, they have not released much about this. All I can expect is it to be first come first serve through their site, so make sure you're in a good group that gives you the link, which moves us on. If you guys would like to join my good group, it will be top link down in the description. We'll be having monitors that monitor this site that gives us the link to we have the best chance possible. And we'll be giving all the dynamic changes throughout the sites. If bots are working, if not bots are working, all the updates you need will be provided in the group, and not only that, provide you all the sneaker information you'll ever need to start sneaker reselling, or if you're a pro, to how to start scaling it. One-on-one support, all the sneaker information, how to cop, guides, everything you need to know, all compact into this one group. Top link down in the description will lead you to our website, which will give you a list of all the features that we do provide, and you can pick what tier suits you best. People have made thousands from the group, so don't miss out, and I'll see you guys in there. Now, hold or sound. Now, this shoe obviously is going to be a great hold. However, do you need to hold to make good money? No, you do not. Guys, you're about to quick flip the shoe for over $1 grand profit off the start. Don't stress about holding it if you cannot afford to hold it. Quick flip it, make that money, move on to the next release and reinvest that money. Unless you've got racks upon racks behind you and you really want to collect that shoe, obviously hold it. However, 90% of you out there watching shouldn't be holding this shoe and should be just selling it to reinvest and make more with. I'm in love with this black shoe. If I can get my hands on it, I will go absolutely nuts, and I want to get a review in as soon as I possibly can. This shoe is just absolutely crazy. Best size to go for. I'm not even going to go into this too much. It's going to be any single size you can get your hands on. Sizes 8 to 12 probably will perform the best, will have the best demand. However, guys, any size you get through, if a size 8 is not in stock, go for another size, okay? Do whatever you possibly can to get your hands on this shoe. In terms of bots, who knows what bot is going to work during this release. The site is going to be hammered. Manual, obviously there will be a chance, but so will bots also have a chance. No one knows what is going to happen. No one knows how this shoe is going to release. release, the best thing you can do is be in a group that's giving you that information during the drop, and people who can ask questions and staff that will answer you during this live cop, which we will be for sure. Good luck in this release, guys. I know this is a quick video, however I thought I'd get it out because this release is absolutely massive. Drop a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in this release. If you do cop a pair, drop a comment and let me know you copped a pair, because I will be very jealous and I might go and rob your house for legal reasons. I'm joking. Good luck in this release, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Top link down in the description if you want to join the group, but apart from that, it's been KaiKicks, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.